Sweet!
But smaller, steeper.
It's a little bit steeper, but not that much steeper. Ready whenever you are. Just smooth and steady. What? There you go, steady. There you go, keep going. Look at that, crushed it.
Professional.
Crushed it. Absolutely crushed it, dude. Hit it again while you're in the zone. There you go, good correction. Steady, steady, steady. Oh. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Good job. You were pretty much to the top. Yeah, it's good. Next time you ride, it'll be drier. And if you can do it today on a normal dry day, it'll be easy. All right, hop on. Go to Mason. You remember where to go?
Yeah.
Go up there and turn left between those stumps.
Yeah.
Give her some go, big boy. Good job, good balance. All right, let's see what you got. Keep rolling. There you go, there you go. Steady. Good job, left to the left. Good job. Whoa. Oh my gosh, he's crushing it. Good job. Oh, right over the root. There you go. Good job. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Made it to the top. But there's one thing you got to learn, okay? When you get to the top and you kind of starting to, on either side, you got to remember the side that's the lowest, that you can't touch with your foot, you got to lean the opposite way. So you don't get off kilter with a leg that can't touch, okay? So when you get to the top, you wanna lean your bike up the hill a little bit. When you lean the bike down the hill, that's when you fall over. But you made it. You made it to the top. And you didn't carry near enough speed at the bottom. And you went right over all of these roots. See this? Mason's gonna cut some of these roots out of here, but see, you're getting on the gas really good by the tree. Look, you're getting on the gas really good by the tree, too much. And then you're not getting on the gas enough between the tree and the bottom of the hill, okay? So you need to chill out a little bit at the tree where the roots are. And then once you get past the roots, then you get on it real hard, all right? I heard you up here shrieking like a little banshee, not knowing if you were gonna fall or not.
Okay, buddy.
Well, you definitely, I didn't climb a hill like this until I was probably 12 years old, son. So you got a heck of a jump on dad. All right, you'll just start rolling down. A lot of rear brake, little bit of front. If you grab a whole lot of front, you'll lose the front wheel. So you just barely give it a little bit, okay? Best thing to do is use 2 fingers on the front. So you keep these 2 wrapped around the grip, okay? All right. You got it. Keep your foot on the brake. You got it. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. See? You're fine. And you can even take off rolling because you don't have anywhere you can go, okay? All right, roll. Roll. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Killed it, crushed it. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Slow down, there you go.
I didn't even fall over.
I know, you're killing it.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hey, you're fine. There you go. Good job, good job. Let it roll. Look at that. This rut you've made, dude. Look at that, railed it. Look at that. Whoa, you're flying. Holy cow, bro. Look at that. You can't pick it up? It's kind of on a hillside, isn't it?
No, look at the back.
Remember, lean the bike uphill because you're on an off camber. There you go. There you go. Learn how to use that rear brake. There you go. Look at you controlling this slide. Dude, I am beyond proud of you for today. You've never been on the trails before. You've went up hills, down hills, through mud, over rocks, over logs. You crashed 6 times and you're still riding. That's what it's all about, man.